For over 15 years, the Ukrainian flock technologies company has been creating and improving both the technology of flocking consumables and equipment. UFT manufactures flock, adhesives, electrostatic flocking machines, flocked products, velvet-coated cases and blisters. Flock is made of small chopped fibers. These fiber particles can be made of different textile materials. Fibers vary in color and thickness. Standard flock lengths range from 0.2 mm to several millimeters. Flocked coating is velvety and pleasant to the touch, giving the products an original and beautiful look. Flocking is the application of fibers onto an adhesive-coated surface. The flocking machine creates an electrostatic field that ensures uniform and, most importantly, vertical application of these fibers. For this, the flock is treated with special activating substances. For flocking, you will need a prepared workplace, personal protective equipment, glue, and an applicator, flock, and a flocking machine. It is necessary to prepare the product so it's dry, clean and free of grease. Prepare flock and flocking machine. Fill the hopper about 2/3 full of flock. Apply the adhesive to the object in a thin, even layer. The glue and tools for its application must be selected and prepared for each specific project. Attach the grounding connector to the object you are flocking. You need to connect it with the product, not with anything else. It is necessary to create an electrostatic field between the flocking machine and the product. Without this, flocking will be impossible. In case you need to flock an object made of a material that is not conductive, it is required that the contact of the connector touches with the glue, which will serve as an excellent conductor. We hold the flocking machine by the aluminum handle a short distance from the item, preferably from the side or bottom. The flocking applicator can work in various positions, but the most optimal one is horizontal. You don't need to shake the flocking machine during flocking. Slightly revolve it side to side without holding it for a long time in one place, gradually covering the entire surface of the item. This will ensure even flock clogging. After flocking, don't touch the velvet layer until the glue has completely dried. Remove the loose excess of flock. The only limit to flocking is your imagination. Flock will transform any item, and UFT will gladly help you with your projects.